everyone, this is Janvi Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series where we're gonna see how to make a simple flip card. Now guys, you might be thinking that what is this flip card? Flip card means whenever you will hover on it or click on it, it will turn its back and will show the back part. Now you will think, okay, we will use some random animations to it here, right? No, my friends, we are not going to use some random animations. We are going to see some amazing concepts of CSS that I don't think so any of the tutorials on the YouTube has thought about or spoken about. Here we will see some advanced concepts of the CSS that you might not aware of. Like, I have not seen many YouTube tutorials talking about it, but you will find this on this channel. So guys, I want you to see this tutorial till the last. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? Also, one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly jump into the code. Here I have my basic HTML boilerplate ready. So let's see how to make a simple flip card. Here I will put one label tag, and inside that I will use one input tag whose type will be checkbox. Again, inside that checkbox I will also put one class whose name will be flip card. Now the flip card has two parts, the front part and the back part. So for designing the front part, inside that flip card class I will put another div whose name will be front. Since on the front part we want the image, right? So for that reason what we will do, we will say that in the front part we want one more tag called as image tag, and inside that we will insert link of the image we wish to insert. After that we will say h1 and we will put its name, and h2 and we will put his designation. Later we will also say that we want one p tag where we will right click to flip. Whenever somebody will click on it, the card will flip. Okay, now here we will end our div of the front part. Now we need to design the back part. That's why we will add one more class named as back, and there we will write h1 and we will write about me. And later on what we will do, that we want that line a thin line. For that reason we use HR tag, and after HR tag we will write one p tag, and here you can write about yourself, or here I am putting one random paragraph. So my friends, we are done with the HTML part. Now let's see how to style this flip card. Now my friends, as usual, I'm gonna make margin and padding as 0. And here we will do one more thing, and that is box sizing as border box and font family as sans serif. Let's target body, and we will give one background color. You can give it any color as you wish. And so my friends, here we will target our label tag, and then we will say that the display should be block and the position should be absolute, so that we can move it as per our choice. Let's give it top, left, width and height as well. Now my friends, I have already told that we gonna learn today something very new, like not the basic CSS but the advanced parts here. So you will see I have used transform style as preserve 3D. Now what is this preserve 3D and transform style? Now I'm sure that you are well aware of this transform thing, right? So whenever you want to add 3D transformations to your elements, at that time you should select transform style as preserve 3D. Now you cannot use this preserve 3D alone. You have to use this property and this value with transform property, right? So that's why I will also use transform property, and I will say that translate at -50% and -50% from x-axis and y-axis. And why I am doing that? To get that in the middle, to get our whole element in the middle. Now next we will target our flip card, and there we will say the position should be relative, and again we will say that transform style should be preserve 3D. Now why we are doing that? To rotate our card. Okay, so that's why we are doing all of these things. Also we will add one transition to it, so that everything will be done in a smooth way. Now we are targeting the front and back part both together, and we will say that its text should be in center. And here you will see how the back part looks like, guys. So we will target the back part as well, and we have to style a little bit. Now one more thing, here you have seen something called backface visibility hidden, right? So this is also a new part, guys. So what exactly is backface visibility? Backface visibility is that whenever you want your elements to rotate, right, at that time what happens if there is a box, suppose, where you have written inside that box hello, and if you want to rotate that particular element, when you will rotate it, how the hello will see, you will, whenever it will rotate it, you can say its back face, and its back face is usually its mirrored image, right? Now here when we'll flip our card, when we want to rotate it, we don't want to see its mirrored image, we want to see the back part, the part which we will be designing here, the white part, right? We don't want the mirrored image of the front thing, right? So that's why we will say backface visibility should be hidden. Now next we will target our back, and we will say that rotate X. This is your choice. If you want to do it, you can do it. And then what we will say, whenever somebody will hover on the label and the flip card, what to do? Now we have to remove that checkbox, so that's why we'll say input display none. And now we will say that whenever the label will get checked, right, the label which we have put over there and the flip card, what to do? We will transform it and give it a box shadow. Now let's design the front image, let's make it little rounder. So that's why I will add some border radius to it. And also we will design a text here. So my friends, we are done with this project and I found this flip card really amazing. Let me know what do you think about it, and also if you have any doubts or suggestions for further tutorials, please let me know in the comments and I would be happy to help you guys. So bye bye, have a great evening.